from Fox 5 News. Good Day Atlanta at 8 a.m. starts now.
All right, thank you. And speaking of football, the big game is just around the corner. And if you plan to host a Super Bowl party, you'll need to have all the right accessories. Fox 5 Stacey Elgin joins us live with an expert on the subject. And Stacey, I went to an NFC party yesterday. Perfect party. The food was great. Big screen TV, Green Bay banners everywhere. Perfect party. I thought they did a great job. Good job to the Cummett family. Let's see if you can top that.
And I hope you were dressed well. I hope so. And I know you were. I'm not even going to ask that question.
You know the new boots you and I talked about? I had those on.
Ooh.
You
the
know.
ones I turned you on to?
You know the new boots.
Okay. Well, we're here with another expert. This is Robin Schulman, and she really knows how to dress. She always looks fabulous, and she is showing us this morning what to wear. Say we're just going to a neighbor's house or to a big party. You're going to show us what to wear. First off, we're going to start with some color.
Well, fashion meets football this season, so football fashionistas, you're super lucky. All of the hot trends for color in spring are these pop primary colors.
Perfect.
So it's perfect. We've got yellow and black for the Steelers. Go Steelers! And of course, we can't forget Green Bay. I mean, we've got to bring them in too, but everybody's in luck because all of these are primary colors. You've got a messenger bag that's super hot if you want to party hands-free.
Okay, so like if you're saying, okay, Packers score.
There you go.
Woo! Woo! You
Exactly.
can jump and just keep your bag on.
Exactly. You
Okay.
can eat, talk, drink, hands-free.
Still wearing my bag. And then you just start with a pair of jeans.
Yeah, I mean, the jeans, no matter what you wear, if you're going to do heels, if you're going to do a really nice top, or if you're going to dress it down, jeans are the perfect way to go.
Let's hold these up. What are these, just skinny black jeans?
Skinny, dark.
Dark. Oh, yeah.
Dark.
Like
Not
dark.
black.
Dark covers up. They're just dark.
Yeah,
Oh,
dark
those
is
are
always
way
good.
cute.
Super cute, right?
Okay, and then just a pair of black shoes, which, good
Well, you
gracious.
can tone it up or tone it down. If you want to be comfortable, just do the boot. But if you want to tone it up just a notch, kick it up a notch, do a heel. And this,
I say
again,
tone it up.
is black and gold.
I say, black and gold.
just
That's a
saying.
good color this season.
Just saying.
Rob Ann, thank you. Okay, so if you're having that party at home, you got to be comfortable at home. This is Eric. Hello, Eric.
Hello, Stacey.
Okay, so what do we have here? A smushin. Have you ever heard of such? What is a smushin?
Well, what isn't a smushin is really the question. It is a multi-use memory foam cushion that allows for extreme comfort at every Super Bowl event.
Okay, so what do? It's here, and you got a little space in the end because
That
what
way-
goes in there?
Either your microphone or your remote control. You never lose your remote control with this smushin. So it's very easy. Step 1, purchase smushin. Step 2, place it on your coffee table. Step 3, relax.
Relax. Now that sounds like a good idea. Get in here, Dennis. Get in here, Ovi. Get in here. Okay, so is this like a man's dream here?
Absolutely. Look at the couch I'm sitting on.
Okay, so these are comfortable and you never lose the remote. And you can use it for lumbar support too?
Lumbar support for that added support on the couch, or maybe you plan on doing a little Facebooking during the game. Flip it over, use it as a laptop desk.
Oh, I see. Very good. Everybody comfortable? Nicole, you comfortable down there? Ovi? Wait, Ovi, you don't even have your feet up. Come on, Dennis, share. That's because you wear a size 15. Good gosh almighty. What size is that? What size is it?
14.
Okay, I was close. Wasn't that, Karen? Now we know. We got all the skinny on you today. Ovi, thank you so much. Thank you, everybody, for joining us. We're ready to party now, Karen.
All right, enjoy your smushin'. Your smushin'.
I got my smushin'.
All right, Stacey, thanks.